In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply HLOOKUP in Microsoft Excel. To get started, open the Excel workbook where you want to use the HLOOKUP function. This function is useful when your data is arranged horizontally, meaning the lookup values are placed across the top row of a table, and you want Excel to return a value from a row beneath that heading. Once your workbook is open, prepare your sample data. In this example, the sample table is placed in cells A1 through C2. The important thing here is that your lookup values are in the first row of that range because HLOOKUP searches across the top row of a table from left to right. Next, click cell E1 and type banana. This will be the lookup value, or in other words, the item Excel will try to find in the first row of your table. Keeping the lookup value in a separate cell makes the formula easier to update later, since you can simply change the text in E1 instead of rewriting the formula. Now click cell E2 and enter the formula. Type equals HLOOKUP, then an opening parenthesis followed by E1, a comma, A1 C2, another comma, 2, another comma, false, and then a closing parenthesis. The complete formula should read as HLOOKUP with E1 as the lookup value, A1 C2 as the table range, 2 as the row number, and false for an exact match. If you want to look up a different item, you can replace banana in cell E1 with another value. If your table grows and includes more rows of related data, you can also change the row index number so Excel returns a value from a different row. And if your own worksheet uses a different horizontal table, simply replace A1C2 with the range that contains your data. After entering the formula, press enter. Excel returns 20, which is the value associated with banana in this example. Here's what each part of the formula means. E1 is the value to look up. A1C2 is the table that contains the data. The number 2 tells Excel to return the value from the second row of that table. And false tells Excel to find an exact match, which is usually the safest option when working with labels like product names. That's it, you've successfully used HLOOKUP in Excel.